Good afternoon and welcome back to the garden. This is Melanie from Growing My Own. I just discovered that these potatoes have something that looks like blight on it. I'm not sure if it's blight or not, but it's close to the other potatoes. So I'm gonna harvest this one and get it out of the way before the other one catch the disease, just in case it's blight. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the top off of these. These were planted in March with the first set that I harvest. These other three containers over here were planted like a month later. So I'm trying to keep those in the ground a little longer. But for now, I'm gonna take this one out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut these off. And keep my finger crossed that we have some potatoes. I haven't weighed the potatoes I take inside yet. I don't know how much I got so far, but I ate about a pound already, plus the animals damaged some. So let me put my gloves on. I'm in a crazy corner here because it's so tight. I can't move this because it's heavy. Oh my god, my neighbor is coming around the corner with her. Why she choose to come now? Okay, the weather's just cooled down, so everybody's outside trying to do something now. My neighbor is mowing his lawn and he just came beside me, so I'm gonna try and get some out before I come back for the second round. Okay, he's coming back. So this is what I get from that first plant, and most of these are split. See if I can grab another one before he comes. No, he's coming back. Okay, let's grab another one. This kind of looks like sweet potato. Look at all these, and they're all split. Wow, I guess it's with all the rain we were getting. So nice size. Everywhere you look, it's just peanuts, the squirrel buried. this is it. I'm gonna come back and fill this with carrots later. So this is what we get from this container. These are all red potato. It was the largest one. This is not bad for one go. Anyway, thanks guys for hanging out with me again, harvesting potatoes. Oh, before I close off, I'm gonna harvest a cabbage. I'm gonna be harvesting one of my cabbage today. This is one of my baby. I don't know if the scissors can cut it. I think I might have to twist it out. No. Solid. And there's another one I saw worm poo on it. I can't find the worm, so I'm just gonna take it out, but there's no space over there for the camera, so I'm just gonna go grab it and come back. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do another one because I peeked in and see these that were eaten up, so they're consuming these too. So, and some of them are split. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this out as well. All these little one back in the bed over there and put some soil on them. I guess this is gonna be it for this. You know what? I'm just gonna harvest everything. I don't understand this. It over yellow. potato, or maybe two mixed together. I'm getting some red ones. This one was not 100% because it still have fresh flowers on it. Look, most of them are split. Okay, guess that's that for that. This thing too short, I have nothing to grab onto. Wow, this one split so bad. There's nothing much in this one. Okay, there wasn't much in this one. Let's switch to the other one. Wow, look at this one. It's a large russet. how far this dog, and it have bite mark on it. Hiya. Gonna plant these back. Oh, 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 these are the old one that was in the corner that they already ate. Yeah, they have nothing more to come back and eat now. Okay, this is it. From these 4 containers. This is what I got. So this evening I'm just gonna weigh everything out when it goes down. But look, this is the biggest one so far. These are some of the size I got last year. Anyway. So this is my harvest for today. 3 cabbages and some potatoes. I still have 5 cabbage to harvest, but 2 of these have worm poo on it and I can't find the worm, so I just take them out. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you do like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Please leave a comment and let me know what you think about this video. And please subscribe to my channel so you can see what I'll be doing next from the garden, what I'm going to be harvesting, and what I'm going to be serving from the garden. Thanks for watching, my friend. Bye.